them what they gon' be. It was BVO. We gave you all the answers. DRST, shit, you know it's cancerous. Don't forget about Avrio. We brought you in the harvest, but why you hate on the kid? Shit, that shit is focused. It's the 52 we low. That's just how it go. Rich TV is here. We about to make some dough. Right on everything in January. Shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in the backwood. Yeah, we puffin' clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Let me take you to the future where ACB on top and Afria right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some Medman. Kush bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Zena with the fever, that shit diva, just with the heater. You can leave it with Beaver. I don't fuck with the non-believers. Fire in my pocket, make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, then you gon' make some cream. XOY, I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap and tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I got it in my Speedo. With Oscars eating burritos or chopping on some Cheetos. You know, I'm like, yeah, you gotta buy that shit. It's the new strike on these haters in the midst of get you hit. Yeah. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert.
Hey bro, cut the line. That's dirty, right? And I think we should do like a full alert song. Full alert, full.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your captain speaking, and this is Rich from Rich TV Live. And I wanted to bring you a new company that has been put on my radar. And the thing that's interesting about this company, I mean, we can look at the American stock, it's PVOTF. And you can see it's a buy on the technical analysis on TradingView. And if we take a look at PVOT, Pivot Pharmaceuticals. Now, this is one that you probably never heard of before. That's why I wanted to bring it to you guys. I wanted to bring it to your attention because they just broke some news. They were halted on this news, and it's a very new company and literally has little to no volume. So I wanted to bring it to your attention in case it does explode. So let's bring it up. Pivot, or the company, is pleased to announce it has signed a letter of intent dated February 26, 2019 with Pharmascience Inc., whereby Pharmascience will conduct analytical testing, collaborate, or development and research of new medical products containing cannabis or cannabis derivatives and drugs containing cannabis and or cannabis derivatives, provide regulatory support necessary to attain marketing authorization and marketing and distribution of finished pharmaceutical dosage forms. Further terms and details will be provided upon the execution of the definitive agreement. Pharmascience is the fourth largest manufacturer of over-the-counter generic drugs in the country and is a leading manufacturer and marketer of prescription, generic, over-the-counter, and behind-the-counter products, as well as FDA-approved Canadian-made injectables. The company commercializes nearly 300 product families in 20 different dosages, forms for over 2,000 products in Canada alone. More than 45 million prescriptions a year are filled with Pharmascience products. Pivot's CEO, Dr. Patrick Frankham, stated, "We are thrilled that Pharmascience has agreed to collaborate with Pivot as we prepare to commercialize our bio-cannabis products line. Quality and innovation will be important for the cannabis derivatives industry. Pharmascience is a well-respected and trusted developer and manufacturer, and we can think of no better partner to help bring PVOT's products to consumers. About Pharmascience Inc. This is some big news. This is breaking news. The stock was halted. It has now been unhalted, and I wanted to bring it to your attention first because I know for a fact that nobody's talked about this stock before. So I decided I'd be the first. Founded in 1983, Pharmascience is the largest pharmaceutical employer in Quebec with 1,500 employees worldwide and proudly headquartered in Montreal. Pharmascience is a full-service, privately owned pharmaceutical company with strong roots in Canada and a growing global reach with product distribution in over 60 countries. You can learn more about Pharmascience at pharmascience.com. Now let's learn a little bit about PVOT. PVOT Pharmaceuticals Inc. is a science-based consumer packaged goods cannabis company engaged in the development and commercialization of health and wellness products using innovative, patent-protected drug delivering technologies. Upon receipt of a standard processor license pending from Health Canada, PVOT's premium, bioavailable, stable, and effective products will be manufactured at its 50,000 square foot, that's pretty big, CGMP facility located in Montreal, Quebec. PVOT's wholly owned subsidiary, PVOT Naturals LLC, based in Costa Mesa, California, was granted a temporary manufacturing type infusion license by the California Department of Public Health in November 2018. PVOT's product line includes infused beverages, vegan capsules, dissolvable tablets, topical creams and gels, intimate lubricants, roll-up pain relievers, stick packs, and bulk powder for edibles market. For more information, please visit pivotpharma.com. Love to know what you guys think about this news. We love to bring you the news, and we love to bring it to you first. This is pivotpharma.com. Add it to your watch list. Put it on your radar. They have a symbol in Frankfurt, Germany. They've got a symbol in Canada. And they got a symbol in America. And nobody knows about these guys until today because your boy Rich has brought you another pick. So love to know what you guys think about this company. I think it has a lot of potential and it deserves attention. Let's take a look at the last year. So one of the things I noticed about this, it's gone all the way from $1 all the way to as low as 17.5 cents. So the lowest it's been is about 17 cents. We're at 20. And the highest it's been is $1. It's been going straight down. And I've been watching a lot of these smaller cannabis stocks have sneak attacks and do really well lately. And I was looking at the share structure and I was just like, wow, this company looks pretty good. I believe they got about 96 million shares issued outstanding. And they're at 20 cents. So I like it. I think it looks good. Love to know what you guys think. PVOT Pharmaceuticals is a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing patented, differentiated, and premium quality nutraceutical, which is like CBDs, guys, and pharmaceutical biocannabis products derived from CBD and or THC. With several patented formulations containing cannabinoids, PVOT is ready to commercialize and bring these innovative products to market. This reminds me so much. You know what this reminds me of? Sproutly. This reminds me of Sproutly before Sproutly exploded. It just reminds me so much. And when I looked at it, I was like, man, nobody knows about these guys. Nobody heard of these guys. Let me talk about these guys. Let me bring it to everybody first. Let me bring it to everybody when it's at the bottom. And let's watch this bad boy fly. Because isn't that what we do? It's what we do. The company highlights intellectual property, CBD, THC supply, manufacturing, a CGMP certified facility, global distribution, and differentiated products. So look at the product line right here. Coated tablets, hard capsules, soft gel capsules, dissolvable tablets, oral solution, liquid shots, coffee and tea, mints, sweets, topical cream, anti-acne cream. Wow. Like they got all kinds of products. wound healing gel, roll-on pain reliever, and they even have sexual lubricant. I know. Cover your ears. Sexual lubricant. Could Pivot be the next big player that no one's ever heard of that your boy Rich is bringing to you first? PVOT in Canada, PVOTF in America, and NPAT in Frankfurt, Germany. This is their list of their patented portfolio. So, I mean, these guys have patents. This reminds me, guys, so much of Sproutly. I can't tell you guys how much this is reminding me of Sproutly. So you guys need to do your own research. You need to do your own due diligence. You can't just invest in anything because you heard it here first. You got to invest in it because you love it. Select recent updates. Supply agreements with Pure Holdings. Pivot secured 3,000 kgs a year of CBD isolate. Pure is a Swiss-based company that cultivates cannabis and produces high-quality CBD products and isolates. So there's one partnership. California temporary licenses. November 18th, 2018. Company was granted a temporary license from the California Department of Public Health to manufacture adult and medicinal use cannabis in California for its Costa Mesa production facility. Production on products is expected to begin in Q2 2019 with sales in the same period. Pivot was also awarded California temporary license from the Bureau of Cannabis Controlled for distribution, transport only. Some really nice partnerships here. Some very, very nice partnerships here. And you can see the share structure. 96 million shares issued and outstanding. 13 million options. 8 million warrants. And 118 million shares issued and outstanding and fully diluted. So these are the highlights here. I'm very impressed with it. Let's take a look at the corporate package. You know, they did what Sproutly did. They invested in patents. Look at this. This is all about first mover status, guys. We invested in the acquisition and licensing of patented drugs, delivering technologies, and then developed and tested differentiated cannabis formulations. This reminds me so much of Sproutly. Oh my goodness. This is exactly what Sproutly was doing. Pharmaceutical, using pharma-grade CBD and THC isolates as active ingredients, and worked with our network of pharma product experts products to create the largest catalog of bioavailable. This is the same. Is this Sproutly? Stable cannabis products. Wow. Which will then be manufactured at CGMP accredited facilities in Canada, California, and the EU to be marketed as a premium brand. This is your chance to get involved in a company, guys, that has so much potential. Placement and distributed globally through experienced wholesale distribution partners. Have you guys ever heard of Pivot before? I just want to know if any of you guys have ever heard of this company before. I'm just wondering. I mean, everyone keeps asking me about other companies, but like, is anyone actually focused on the one I'm talking about? Like, I know nobody focused on Sproutly until they went up 100%. Is anyone actually paying attention to the company I'm talking about instead of talking to me about other companies? This company's crazy, guys. Intellectual property portfolio, Solumer, trademark, oral drug delivery technology with novel solid dispersion. Perfect for cannabis-infused beverages, dispersible, odorless, flavorless. Thirdermic, trademark, transdermal nanotechnology for cannabinoids, nanoparticulate cream. Salmic, trademark, micelle oral drug delivery technology for cannabinoids, 30 milliliter dropper bottle. Bihasix, trademark, dermal delivery technology for cannabinoids, FDA reviewed phospholipid delivery cream. Arctic, trademark, technology for transformation of cannabis oil to powder, capsules, stick packs, bulk powder, food and beverages. TBD nasal drug delivery system, preloaded, multi-dose, powder or liquid. This is crazy. Oh, is it trading at 24 right now? Yo. What? Really? That's crazy. Yes, it is. Wow. Look at this, guys. Man, who's the best? Who is the best in the universe? Who else does this? Yo, man. Come on, man. Are you joking? Are you joking? We did it again. We did it again. That's all we do, man. Bringing winners every single day. It hasn't even been updated on bar chart. It hasn't even been updated on bar chart. The news is circulating, and your boy Rich brought it to you first. It's true. We brought it to you first again. It's true. I'm not talking about any other stocks, guys. I don't know why you want me to talk about other stocks. I'm so confused. Are you not watching this thing go up, man? And you're asking me about other stocks? Like, are we on a different planet? I'm talking to you about a stock that's up 20% right now. And you want to ask me about other stocks? Like, really? Like, really? Come on, man! I'm loving Pivot, and it is climbing while we are live. It's true. Everybody put Pivot on a full alert. It hasn't exploded in America yet, guys. Just so you know, it hasn't exploded in America yet. But you know it will. You know it will. We're at 25 cents. Let's go. Yo, who else is doing this, man? Who else is doing this, man? We brought you the news, and it is taken off. We brought you the news first, and it is taken off. That's just what we do. We bring in the news. We bring in the winners. We break it down. We bring it to you first. Look, it hasn't even been updated on bar chart. Bar chart doesn't even know yet. It's at 1928 in America? Oh, it's flying, eh? Let's go! We are talking about Pivot. We are talking about Pivot. It's on a full alert. I brought you the big news. Brought you the news first. Pivot Pharma signs letter of intent with Pharmascience Inc. It's true. And it's popping. And we have to bring it to you first. It's just what we do. All right, guys. I bring in the winners. I bring it to you first. I got nothing else to prove. We're the best. We know it. Everybody knows it. I got to go back to do my research. I got to do my due diligence. I want to learn more about Pivot. Man, just remember who brought it to you first, eh? Please. Please. You're going to see a whole bunch of people copycat. You're going to see a whole bunch of people say they brought it to you first. Just remember, truly, please, just remember, please, who brought it to you first. Please. Okay? It was your boy. Okay? Pivot Pharmaceuticals. Remember this day, April 3rd, 2019, the day Rich brought you Pivot Pharmaceuticals. Now at only 25 cents. And I showed you guys their 1-year chart. And I told you guys why I liked it. I told you guys it was coming from $1 all the way down to 17, and it was at 20 cents. It is now at 25 cents. I brought it to you first. Remember this day, the day Rich introduced you to Pivot Pharmaceuticals. Now, don't go and buy anything just because you heard it here first. Do your due diligence, do your research before you invest in anything that we discuss here on Rich TV Live. But this bad boy, it's on fire, and I brought it to you before it opened and exploded, and told you guys the halt was lifted first, and now it's up 21%. So we just do what we do. And if you haven't joined the Telegram, you should join, because we've been making money all day long. I'm not going to lie. We've been making money all day long in the Telegram. So I'm going to go back into Telegram. I'm going to go back into making some money. I just wanted to introduce you guys to this new company. They had some breaking news. The halt just got removed and the stock's up 21%. So I figured I'd let you guys know first. Now, if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. This is your boy Rich. We're the best. It's true. It's true. Now, where could Pivot go? How about straight up? Why not straight up? Wow, it's up 57% in the USA. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go, Pivot. Let's go. This is your boy Rich. This is your captain. We are coming to a landing. Please buckle up. Put on your seatbelt.
I should really be an astronaut, flying with the stars, smoking on the moon, so pass the blunt. Snakes hiding in the grass, pulling out the lawnmower. Expose your whole motive, notice that it's all over. Andrew got the keys, Orta got the keys. Rich is in this bitch, yeah, we smoking on some trees, yeah, we lounging. You know that we gon' conquer mountains, and we gon' get this money with my brothers. And if you hating on the click, you suckers. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant. You can never worry me cause I'm a giant. Straight up, straight up, straight up. Never giving up, I keep on fighting. You can never bully me cause I'm a giant.
Pivot is flying. Let's go. Yo, who else does this? Yo, who else does this? Just honestly, guys, who else does this? We're up 53%. Seriously, who else does this, guys? Come on. Come on. Seriously? Seriously? Man. Who else does, like, why don't we have 1,000 people watching right now? I don't understand. I'm so confused. I'm so freaking confused, man. It's just what we do, man. It's what we do best, if you haven't noticed. But I gotta go, man. Your boy's back with another pick soon. Don't worry. But I gotta go back to trading because I like making money too. And I'm out. Peace. Told you guys about Pivot. Remember who told you about Pivot first, eh? Just remember. Don't forget who told you about Pivot first. Because many will come and say that they did. But I was the first to drop a video on YouTube about Pivot, which is now up 63%. I got nothing else to say. Mic drop.